you, baby.
Yes, bye-bye.
Morning, Soren. First of all, mate, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. How are you doing, mate? You alright? Hello, you alright?
Morning.
Yeah, no worries. This is Soren.
Morning, Soren. How are you? Happy birthday.
Yeah, you alright?
Hiya, mate. Number up, please. Yes, please. Oh, that's all, thanks.
Does he look like he sucks mate, or what?
Stop it.
Thanks, mate. Fuck's sake, right?
Sorry, mate. I always love these. I always love these petrol station moments. I always try to get some kind of shit going there.
Oh, no. The thing is, he started laughing, but he didn't even know what you said.
Yeah, a good sign is, mate. If he's got white teeth, you stand fucking for sure he is a cock.
Oh, right, man.
Oh dear.
Oh, God.
Fucking hell. And so it begins.
Begins the story. There's lots of bikes out today.
Yeah.
Just saw 3 or 2 coming off the roundabout. Loads of people are going to that fucking Pats, whatever you call it.
Oh, we've not been there yet, mate.
No, never been. Cotswolds in it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's going to be popping and banging in front of me.
Yeah, get the sniff in, mate.
Yeah. All I see is when I see someone like that, because that lad on that 76 is quite tall.
Yeah.
All I see is absolute fucking spinal wreckage. And I look, fucking hell, his knees are in line with his fucking hands.
Funny, you know.
Are you recording, Royster?
I am, mate.
Lovely.
Certainly am. You?
Yes, mate. I literally, just before I left, I cleared the memory because it was absolutely full. Hello, oldie father.
Hello.
I'm creeping up on you. Oosh.
Hey, stop it.
Do you know what? Funny thing is, he's got a really angry look on his face when he's doing it.
How do you know? I'm
I
smiling.
can see it. I can see it.
You look very planted in that, mate, I must admit.
Good.
Yeah.
I hope so. Look at that fucking GS's lights. He's got the amber lights on it. They look pretty sick.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's a mould, isn't it?
Yes.
Sorry, not mould. M-O-L-D. Mould.
Oh, mould.
Yeah.
Yes, it's North Wales, yeah. Diversion road closed ahead. Are you fucking serious?
What?
Oh, shit.
We'll have to go to the right then.
Aye.
They're expecting bikers to be coming.
Yeah.
Fuck you! We're gonna spoil your day. Yeah. Chuck some gravel on the road, see if you're awake.
Right, I reckon some fucking bunny hopping going on here. What a beautiful day. I'm glad you could join us, mate. I'm glad you come out. I've seen you for ages.
Oh, yeah, thanks, mate. I mean, to be fair, roads fucking closed ahead. Which one? Yeah, I did want to go out. I mean, regardless of whether I've just done a night shift, it's only an hour's ride, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd have been further than that. I would have said, no, sorry, I fucking can't. I will literally fucking physically die. But just an hour away will do just fine. There's a bit of room to overtake if somebody wants to.
Oh, that BMW's going for it, isn't he?
Yeah, he's not the fucking toy, he's not the sausage.
Yeah.
No, I can't be coming now. Can't really see it, it's fucking hill. You're clear, couldn't engage. Now there's vehicles incoming. Shame that the guys on the back of the car out.
No.
Well, that bloke to me, and he was saying that he's going to get one.
Yeah, Soren, yeah, he's I've been on to him about getting one.
Bloke for the me.
Oh, you tiger, baby! Oh, look at you!
Fucking fly! Come here, no cameras.
Oh, dude, I'm down to 40. I'm alright.
Oh, you little tiger! Wendy the lawbreaker, Wendy the lawbreaker.
Should be ashamed.
I am.
Fuck
You
it.
can't see from a blush.
We don't say it, shouldn't they?
Yeah.
Oh, this is lovely here.
Oh yeah, shady.
Strip shady!
I was just gonna say the same thing, mate.
Great minds think alike, boy.
Yeah, indeed.
Touch the balls. Where's the squad?
They're stuck behind a car. Yeah. They should be able to pull after these two. Hopefully.
Oh yeah, here's Soren. Can't miss him with that fucking orange light, I know that.
I know, yeah.
Is that what's on the front of his?
Yeah,
Is that Soren, is it?
yeah. Go on, my love, do the hands off the bar again, going down the hill, look. Woo! Go on. We were teaching her yesterday, Martin, how to take. Yay!
Do you guys want to go through Craver Arms or straight on?
According to this, it says it's straight on, but
Lovely, okay.
All right, let's go bunny hopping, baby.
It says split lines as well, the second lines. There is a white car coming now. White Qashqai, after the white Qashqai, it is clear. There's a red Pasta. Again, after the back. That was the nice. Nice.
Come and take you, motherfuckers! Fucking hell.
I didn't see him coming.
Oh dear.
Who's that?
That's Elliot.
I'll swallow them for dinner.
I did! With a pitchy breast.
I like this town as well. It's so nice here.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, until us lot come through.
Especially this fucking ZX6R. Fucking hell.
I think they want you to go in front, sweet. Everybody through? Yeah?
Yeah, I've only got one more behind Mark.
What, Mark? You want to take over?
Oh, fucking hell. Here's the cunt he was, fuck me.
Go, Royster. Are you right, mate?
Where you go, mate? Oh.
Look at the best front list.
I can smell that dead eggs.
I love,
Them houses on that hill.
yeah, I love these houses on the just off the island here, which is these ones. They're lovely.
Yeah.
Double fucking garage. Get your 4 bikes in there.
Oh, you would.
Yeah, one for sale here,
You'd have
mate.
one each. You'd have your MT-09s, and then you'd have some super sports ready for a track.
Indeed.
That's what I would do if I was to have a. Well, I do have a big enough garage for 2 bikes, but my next one will be some sort of a. Like that guy's ZX6R old school.
Yeah.
Yeah, something fun.
I don't know. Can you have any more fun than you're fucking having on that by the look of it? What the fuck,
I was
mate?
gonna say.
Yeah. Might slow me down a little bit at least.
No. You're not convincing me, mate.
Group connection lost.
But
Left here, isn't it? Yeah.
just we did a loop. It's the second exit, I think, went up.
Oh, is it?
Hello?
Hang on a minute.
Go.
We're coming out down there and back.
This way?
Yeah.
This way, yeah.
Back to that roundabout, yeah. And then now the A49.
Are we going past the
Well,
garage?
full north.
Garage again, mate? Going down that
Aye.
way, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah. If you go towards that roundabout, it takes you to the A49. Why do you want to fuel up, do you?
No, no. It's just that I can go down.
No.
You can go down the side of that garage, can't you? Instead of going to the island.
Yeah, yeah. No, hiding behind Noisy Boy again. How'd you rate that place then, guys?
I like it. I like it there. I've been to better, but it's okay. It's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Enjoyed that.
Food was good.
Yeah. Well, your fucking bacon and sausage sandwich look nice, mate, anyway.
And then at the very end of it, you sort of come into the Woodlands Cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way. Oh, fucking love
I
that
think I know
road.
which way, but we haven't done that one yet.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we
You'll
haven't
get
done
to
it
witness that road, it's amazing.
yet. Yeah.
We need to do a bit of a overtaking manoeuvres sooner.
Yeah, do you want to come down and have a bit of a play down here, boys and girls? Oh, come on.
Yeah. Why not?
Here it comes. A fucking...
Vehicle.
Here it comes, a fucking wasp.
Waspy boy!
Waspy!
He's having some spinal problems.
I'll say it is.
Yeah, we're going to come straight over. It says there, but we go that way. We're all together.
Go on, Martin!
Oh,
That was fun.
spinal. Does this straight on take us into the town centre through that little island?
Yes,
And
Yeah.
then the garage technically should be on there.
on the right.
I want to see right hand side.
Yeah, that's right,
Yeah.
mate.
Okay, I got you. I got you, homeboy.
Daddies of one.
See, I was under conception that it was on the right over there, down through that way. But I can't get my bearings around there yet. Anybody fancy a race at that hill? I mean on foot. And it rolls straight looking back down. I just love it here, just this whole area.
It is, it's beautiful.
You got the power!
Oh, I haven't heard that song for years. Bloody hell.
The fucking fossil music, isn't it? Old fossil.
You calling me an old fossil, you cunt? Yeah, bollocks! Yeah.
It took you a bit to turn
Fucking hell, you're full of fucking pleasurables today, ain't you?
Right with the very delayed reaction. He's thinking, who the fuck did he just call fucking old fossil bastard?
Yeah,
Fucking wait till he gets up next to me, he's gonna kick me straight in the ballsack.
I'm gonna blame the cardo.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, I got half a tank, my love, so I'm all right. I could fill up.
good.
I could fill up, but I'll leave it till next time.
Me too, I got half a tank. Oh.
You should be alright. That woman didn't like you at all.
Who?
Her mate was going, the one that just pulled through here, she must have been following you. Her mate was going like that, 10 to the dozen at this one.
What?
Chris,
Oh,
she was having a right old go.
fuck
What a
'em.
twat.
Yeah.
No.
What's the point?
She hasn't probably been shafted for about 50 years.
Is that a possibility?
She's probably sexually frustrated, maybe. I mean, there's only so much silicon can do, isn't there?
You bloody rebels, the two of you, eh?
You know, the Palmer clan.
Paul McLeod.
The Palmer clan.
Oh dear.
Oh, that's funny.
Well, it's the truth. Yeah.
Yeah.
After you, boys.
We'll give him a push,
That's all he
mate.
needs to do. Yeah, we'll go either side of him. Either side of him and push him.
Bagsy,
Take his
Bagsy, you have the exhaust side, mate. Okay.
Okay, Troy. It's not like you've got fucking ear plugs in. And if that's a helmet, this fucking card box of a helmet that I've got.
Yeah, jump over to the Scorpion XO 1400, mate. It's a great helmet.
Me too. Saving a bit of dough for Becky's fucking intercom as well.
Yeah.
Be nice.
Oh, have you got that yet? No.
Waiting for Dave for next month's pay.
Lovely.
Me and Dave are doing the double deal.
Oh yes. Good idea.
Yeah. I call it.
There's a couple of like cameras down here, isn't there?
Yeah, just on the lamppost, I think, before you go into the 30.
Yeah.
There it is. There, you can't fucking miss it. Just after that 30 sign. Fucking cunts. Oh, Martin, I think you're rubbing off on me with the language, mate. That's all I'm pulling it down to.
I think it's the other way around. Trying to blame a poor Polish man.
Oh,
There's
dear.
nothing poor about you, Martin.
Oh, yeah. You made out to be something I am not.
Fucking.
Does he want to go into this fuel station here?
Yeah.
This cooperative one, yeah. Maybe we might as well top up then. Oh, we're not at 140, we ain't.
Oh, he needs petrol.
95 now.
No, we can go in.
Oh. When he goes in the no entry time.
I do. Come on.
Oh dear. You're as bad as me going in petrol stations, my love. Last time I was out with these guys, I went in the wrong fucking way.
I don't give a shit. I'm still going to stay here. I'll wait here.
Oh, fucking hell.
Where are we going?
I'm staying here. I've got enough to get home, sweet.
So,
I'm on the fucking pavement.
right, you fucking hooligan, man. What are you doing?
Fucking.
Oh, you can't get the staff, can you?
No. Indeed you can't.
At least you can grab some fuel now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kane
then. That's it.
It's different.
Is that your next bike then?
On your bike. Literally.
Fucking hell.
I thought you were eyeing it up then.
No.
Oh my god.
Oof.
Do you
No.
imagine they're getting them in the garage? Fuck me.
Baby, he's on form today, is Martin.
He
isn't
is, yeah.
Eh?
I'm sorry, I'm just fucking knackered.
I was going to say, is that overtiredness,
You
is
know
it?
what? I get like that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the first thing
very
that comes to mind,
raspy.
I say it.
I love honesty,
Not always
mate.
good, is it?
Honesty is good.
Yeah. Honesty is king, mate.
Can't bear people fluffing around.
Nah, not built for that. Too much
1400.
fluffery. Here he is, he stayed up. Yeah, he looks happy. I mean, I can't tell because he's wearing a helmet, but he looks very happy.
He can breathe now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Oh, he's as happy as can be.
You're all right now. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, it's nice meeting you.
See you later, Ayla.
That poor BMW still. Oh.
Oh, fucking hell. Ooh. Smell of oil.
Guys, I think the two guys are splitting off here.
Are they?
Yeah, oh, he's coming fast. Correct.
Yeah, I think he's.
Let's all do a wave.
Hang on, there's the car,
Oh, yeah.
car's turning.
Where's he splitting off to?
Here. He's going to Ombersley.
Okay. Oh, fair play. Oh, both of them are.
Let's all wave now.
Yeah.
Bunch.
And then now there is four. Oh, thinking, guys, stay there. I can't see them. And then I'm thinking,
Wait!
Oh, wave.
I did it! I did it!
Yeah. Miserable bastards.
He did wave back.
Oh, you looked hilarious in the front over there. Like you were literally having the time of your life. Fantastic.
But they were miserable bastards, them two, weren't they? Fuck me.
Miserable bastards. Absolutely miserable.
I've trained the wife to say hello to another fellow biker, and this is what she does.
This is
This is what she does. Oh, we might be hitting a bit of traffic down here, guys.
Oh, really?
It looks like it because the red lights, brake lights coming on.
Oh,
Unless they're a shit driver.
yeah.
No, they're a shit driver. I don't know why they've got red. Look at this.
Yeah, you're going to have to start removing some mirrors, Wendy. Wendy's fucking mirror removal service free of charge.
Do you know, I'd just love to do that once. Winston's already done it once, but I haven't.
Oh, yes. It is a
Sorry, did I
good
just
feeling.
stitch you up, my love?
It's alright, my love. He deserved it.
But it's true, he did, and I agree.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then bottles of red wine in the pannier boats came in fucking quite handy, ripping his ring mirror off. That was going down the Isle of Wight, wasn't it? Down the A40.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No, Isle of Wight as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking assholes. They're everywhere, no matter how nice the place is. They probably hate tourists as well.
Mm.
Yes, look at this lovely place here as well. Minster!
Right then, Martin.
Heading left.
Martin, an absolute pleasure.
Been a pleasure as always.
See you later, mate.
Yeah.
Take it easy, all
Say
right?
hello to that lovely lady of yours.
Yes.
Most certainly will. And
Thank you very much.
take it easy and keep it shiny side up. This guy's come up quick.
See you later, mate.
I'll see you
See ya.
later, guys.
See you later, Martin.
Bye.
Bye.
Bloke in that car behind us is not even paying any attention at all.
Yeah, cock.
Yeah, dickhead. Oh, did you hear that or not?
I did, and I got all that on video.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Brilliant.